In the bright village of Peppyville, a special event was happening. The Great Balloon Festival. Colorful balloons filled the sky like tiny rainbows. The whole village gathered to watch them float. Tom, the playful orange kitten, had never seen a balloon up close before. Jerry, the clever brown mouse, held a tiny notebook, excited to measure every balloon. As they walked through the festival, Tom spotted the biggest balloon of all. A huge red heart-shaped balloon tied to a tiny wooden basket. Tom's eyes sparkled. He gently touched the balloon. And suddenly, whoosh! The wind lifted it off the ground. The rope wrapped around Tom's tail, and before he knew it, he was floating upward. Up, 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 Jerry gasped. Tom, hold on! Tom dangled helplessly as the balloon drifted higher. I didn't mean to fly, Tom shouted, kicking his legs. Without hesitation, Jerry ran and jumped into a smaller balloon basket nearby, a tiny blue balloon just big enough for him. He tugged the rope and chased after Tom through the skies. Tom's balloon drifted between fluffy clouds shaped like animals. He saw a cloud that looked like a bunny, another like a turtle, and one that looked suspiciously like himself. Except the cloud version looked much calmer. Jerry paddled the air with his little paws to steer his balloon closer. Tom, stop moving so much. You're making the balloon dance. I'm scared, Tom squeaked. You're not alone. I'm right behind you, Jerry said gently. Suddenly, a flock of friendly birds flew past and accidentally bumped into Tom's balloon. The rope around Tom's tail slipped, and he started drifting downward slowly. Jerry panicked for a moment. Then he got an idea. He jumped from his balloon onto a larger one nearby and pushed it toward Tom like a floating pillow. The two balloons bumped softly. Tom landed safely on top of Jerry's balloon. Jerry held his paw. You're safe now. Tom sighed in relief. You saved me, Jerry. The wind guided them gently toward the festival grounds. The villagers watched in amazement as the two friends floated back like heroes. When they landed, everyone cheered. Miss Bella Rabbit handed them warm muffins. You two truly know how to handle an adventure, she said. Tom and Jerry laughed together, happy to be back on solid ground. And from that day on, whenever balloons floated in the sky, Tom and Jerry always remembered their floating adventure and the importance of sticking together. Would you like to hear this story again?